In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Outlook for follow-ups. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're on the main screen where you can create a new item. This process is useful when you want to stay on top of important meetings, check-ins, or follow-up tasks, especially if you don't want to rely on memory alone. Using reminders in Outlook can help you stay organized and make sure nothing important gets missed. Once Outlook is open, click on New. This is where you begin creating the item that will hold your reminder. From the available options, select Event. Choosing an event is helpful because it allows you to schedule a follow-up at a specific date and time, and it gives you several options for adding useful details. Now, begin filling in the event information. Enter a clear title so you can quickly recognize what the follow-up is about when the reminder appears later. After that, enter the email address of the person involved if needed. Then select the time for the event and add the location if that applies. You can also include a message in the description area. This is a good place to add notes, context, or any details you may want to review when the reminder comes up. Keeping this section specific can save time later and make your follow-up easier to handle. Once the basic event details are in place, you can set the reminder. Look for the reminder icon or reminder option in the event settings. Click it, and then choose how long before the event you want Outlook to notify you. For example, you can set the reminder for a certain number of hours before the scheduled event, depending on how much advance notice you need. Choosing the right timing is important because it gives you enough time to prepare without reminding you too early. You also have the option to add an email reminder. This can be especially helpful if you want an extra notification beyond the standard Outlook alert. An email reminder gives you another way to make sure the follow-up stays visible, particularly if you check your inbox more often than your calendar notifications. After everything is entered, review the details to make sure the title, time, location, message, and reminder settings are correct. A quick review helps prevent mistakes and ensures your follow-up is scheduled exactly the way you want it. That's how to set reminders in Outlook for follow-ups, making it easier to stay organized and keep your communication on track.